this to our toes. To this to our toes. Okay. What are you gonna let us know?
I thought this was gonna be it. Oh, now I have to open this one. Now this one. It's gonna be hard to try, but I'm gonna like it. Woohoo!
Yeah.
A little pitch up.
Down to me.
Thanks, Lyden. I think these glasses are for the bunny.
Yeah.
The bunny's cute. I never had a dog like that. Oh, and the people that are coming to my birthday are gonna bring different presents.
You can see the little paper right there. See? We're told. It's funny there. Don't open it now. Don't want help opening it? I can help you. Okay?
Oh, and this CD I'm gonna like. I'm gonna do it.
What's it called?
There's two of them?
Huh? What did I say? She looks crazy. Daddy, look at her. She looks crazy. She's crazy.
Oh, she's like crazy, but she wouldn't look crazy.